Now then, it's MOT time, and whilst I was going round the brakes and checking everything, this right hand brake light is out. So let's do something about it straight away. Yeah, it's MOT in about 3 or 4 weeks time, little bit at a time. Right, because this is the hinge side for the door, there's a bolt there and the cover has already been removed at some point, and I've just used a screwdriver and hooked that plate out. Okay, and then it's an 8mm socket. There we go. And it's got its own washer. In the past, you used to be able to, like on the Leylands and stuff like that, you used to be able to just flip a little cover inside here and just get to the back of the lights that way. Yeah, no tools required. So have things improved or what? I don't think so. I remember somebody telling me, this is a while ago now, on an Audi, to change, I can't remember what it was, just some sort of Audi, to change the front indicator bulb you almost have to take the air cleaner assembly out, which is like, you're supposed to be able to change the bulbs on the side of the road. Right, rant over, let's just see what happens. Okay, with those undone, yeah, you have to get unbelievably violent, yeah, especially if it's been there a long time. Like that. Okay, and you have some pins here and down the bottom, and you've really got to launch it from this side. Yeah, there's no point levering from that side. You want to grab hold of it. As you can see, a pin there and a pin there, and the pin in the middle is not there anyway. Okay, so those two pins, and I think it is this bulb, yes, that bulb is a twin filament bulb, and luckily, unlike the Vauxhalls, the pins are diametrically opposite, so it's a standard bulb. Yeah, and I can see a break in the larger diameter filament. If you can, I don't know. Right, let's go and find the bulb. Okay, here's a box of miscellaneous bulbs. Looks like I've selected these ones out as twin filament, and we'll stick that on continuity. Yep, yep. So either of those, if they go to the case, the effectively the ground, earth, negative, will get continuity. So that's a good one. And here's the one that I took out. Yep. No. Okay. So that does want to be put to one side. Yep. We don't want to include that in our pile. So here we go, and there, and then pop that back in however it goes in. There's the pin. There. Now I'll just show you this. This is a Vauxhall. See how that pin is not opposite that pin? Yeah, you've got to be careful of that. They're devils, they are. So I've just got a bit of wax spray. And I'm just putting it on those pins and what have you. Just so that, and lining the pins up, and there we go. And then I can put the bolts back in and jobs are good. Let's just check that it's all working. And there we go. So, just to reiterate, 8mm socket, yeah, and then grab hold of this and give it some welly, yeah, because it's bound to have been there for a while and those pins are a bit sticky. Effectively, you need the right bulbs and the right socket and 10 minutes to do it. Can you do that by the side of the road? You should be able to. Hopefully you found this interesting, and I'll catch up with you soon. Cheers for now.